Floor brush filter hose belt for Jimmy JV51 Handheld vacuum cleaner brush parts accessories. Floor brush filter hose belt for Jimmy JV51 Handheld vacuum cleaner brush parts accessories review. The Jimmy JV51 is a powerful and versatile handheld vacuum cleaner that is perfect for cleaning a variety of surfaces. It comes with a variety of attachments, including a floor brush, a crevice tool, a dusting brush, and a hose. The floor brush is made of soft bristles that are gentle on floors, but still effective at removing dirt and debris. The crevice tool is perfect for cleaning tight spaces, such as under furniture and in cabinets. The dusting brush is great for dusting